Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Rose Quartz manicure. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For this manicure, I'm going to be starting out with a cream as my base color. I'm going to be using Sweet Tooth. Then I'm going to be adding layers of veins with Not Milky White and separating those layers with Pink Smoothing Base. I have a small lid here that I'm going to use to put a little bit of white polish out. And then with a small brush, I'm going to start adding the veins a layer at a time. The nice thing about this is I don't really want them to be like very smooth or perfect. It's just fine if they're a little bit messy or jagged. And it doesn't have to look the same on each nail either. So I'm trying to just keep it a little bit messy and uneven. In some areas, different thicknesses, and I'm going to go across all my nails. And now I'm going to go in with my usual small brush dipped in acetone for the cleanup. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out, although I did make a few last-minute changes to my original plan. I was going to add a little bit of blue shimmer on top for an accent to the veins, and I actually was going to add another layer of veins as well as pink, but chat kind of convinced me not to. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you all think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.